Hey
guys,
guys,
how's it going? Welcome back to Double
Double
Take.
Take. I'm Anna,
I'm Chew.
and today we are checking out KiiiKii's title track and their pre-release Candy
Mm,
Pink Magic Hole Flip Phone
good lord, that's a title.
is their pre-release, and then we have Pop Off for their title.
hmm
I do know that this I think is a type of phone that was released in like the
Mm,
2010s. It was called
cool.
Magic Hole Flip Phone, and I think it came in a color that was called Candy Pink.
Ah, I thought they were just outdoing Strawberry Cheese Game.
Yeah, they're like put more words together. But yeah, I don't know anything about these comebacks or about these songs. I haven't heard anything. I think maybe I've seen maybe an outfit, and that's about it.
Mm,
So I'm really blind on this.
yeah, I saw the outfits. I think they're very kiki,
Mm.
and I think I heard the tiniest snippet of one song. Can I remember it? No. So still going in blind.
But before we get into that,
Guys, if you like videos like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the alarm bell so you get notified when we post. Also, we have a KiiiKiii playlist, so if you're interested in checking that out after the video, it'll be at the end.
also, we have a Twitch where we go live every Saturday and react to Patreon requests. So head over there, hit the follow button to get notified when we go live. If you missed the live, you can head over to our Patreon to check out the VODs and a ton of other exclusive reactions. And we have a Discord, so hit the link below and join the Discord. Without further ado, Candy Pink Magic Hole Flip Phone. What is it called? Oh, not 어떡해. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
What should I do? Oh, so is this episode? I love it.
I love how hard they went into this concept. Woo.
Those drums?
Oh! Ooh!
Oh, what the hell is this?
Ooh!
Oh! What is this?
Ooh!
Oh my god. I really like Kia's voice in this.
Whoa!
Da-da-da-da-da.
They're trying to
Oh,
hypnotize
this is
us.
so sick.
Yes!
Oh. Oh, the background vocals. KiiiKiii.
KiiiKiii!
Bro. KiiiKiii.
Oh my god. I kind of have chills. It's like not a chill-inducing song in that way, but just like I'm so impressed that it gave me chills. Like this, and you guys should know my standard for KiiiKiii is basically sky high.
Yeah.
They had my favorite album of last year. They had some of my favorite songs of last year. This is like better than I could have ever dreamed of. I think because they do what I love, which is commit hard to a
Mhm.
concept.
Yeah.
When KiiiKiii does a concept, it isn't, I've said this before, it isn't just like the songs that like this or, you know,
Mhm.
the music videos like this. Everything about it fits
Yeah.
that vibe.
Mhm.
Everything about this fits that 2010 aesthetic. And I wouldn't be shocked for the choreo to also go for that vibe.
Mhm.
The instrumental is so incredible. It's so fast paced. It's so like chaotic, but not chaotic. I don't know how to like. It's not the right word.
I'd say it's pretty chaotic.
Like it makes sense in a way, the way that it progresses and the way that it sounds. But it is so
Mhm.
like upbeat and fast and intense in that way. And then just the like affected vocals, the way they're singing, the melody, all of that. It's just like, oh my god, this is like perfection.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm super into this. This is so hyper pop, so I don't even know what to call it. What is this genre? I've heard it before. It's amazing. I love it every single time. And they killed it. Like you said, they just embody whatever concept that is being thrown at them to the max. And you know what? In the beginning, when KiiiKiii was very first doing their promotions, people were like, "Oh, this is gonna be a weird group," and then they kind of weren't. They were, I think, but I think people heard "I Do Me" and were like, "Oh, this isn't what I expected. I'm disappointed. I'm not listening." Hey, come back!
Come back!
They're here. This is the concept you were looking for. Come back. This is 100% in line with what they were going for in the beginning. And I personally think they have fit that since the beginning, but some people might have, not checked them out after I Do Me. So it's really cool that they're kind of sticking to this weird no shame concept where they just go all out for everything all the time. And I'm really curious about the choreo for this because KiiiKiii choreos is some of my favorite choreos in K-pop right now. But how do you choreograph this? This was all over the place. The tempo was changing a lot. The way that they were singing was changing a lot. It was like Haum had parts where she was like da-da-da-da-da really fast, and then Kia I think had parts where it was like da 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 very slow. So I'm just curious about how they're going to perform this. I want to see it live. I think I'd get so hyped.
I would get so hyped, yeah.
This was really, really fun. I'm super happy with this comeback. Or pre-release.
Pre-release. Yeah, what's crazy is this is the pre-release.
Mm-hmm.
But did I say that they were my favorite album of last year? I meant this year. Yeah. Right? The one with Underdogs and all that came out this year. Yeah, KiiiKii's just fantastic.
Well, it was 2 minutes and 18 seconds. It did not feel that short.
What? No, that was a 4-hour song. All right, I'm even more excited for Pop Off. Let's get into it.
Kesha?
Yes. Whoa.
What is this instrumental?
Ooh.
We're in 2012 summer. Oh, we're so in 2012 summer.
Ooh.
Well, okay, never mind. Nah, I'd still say we are.
Go, Kia.
Ooh. The DCs is crazy. What? Wow.
It surprised me again. Oh,
Another really short song, but this one felt short.
wait, what is this font? It's an old store font.
It's like varsity
Yeah. Oh, okay. This song
font.
is crazy. This song's crazy in a different way. It's crazy that they're both like nostalgia bomb, like 2010s feeling songs, but they're way different. This much more feels like radio 2010s.
Yeah.
Like I'm thinking Katy Perry. I'm thinking you said Lady Gaga or
I
Lady
did
Gaga.
not say Lady Gaga.
You said Cashdoll. That's what I meant to say. And it definitely has that vibe, but then they introduce that more harsh breakdown in the song, and I like it. I think it really helps to break up what is a kind of, it's not generic in the sense that I don't think a lot of people are doing it now, but it's generic in the sense that I think that a lot of people have done it in the 2010s.
Yes.
So adding that and like changing it up a little bit makes it feel fresh and new, despite having heard it growing up a million times.
Yeah.
I really like the just like the in that breakdown part, they had a rappier part, and I liked that because actually KiiiKiii is doing kind of, no, I'm not gonna say opposite of what a lot of groups are doing now. I feel like KiiiKii's very vocal forward.
Yeah.
So I like getting to hear more members do more rappy parts. I think we had Sui doing a rappy part, which is like, you know, we don't get to hear that a lot. But yeah, I think ultimately my opinion on KiiiKiii and like why I hold them to such high regard, if you think about their name, they always say that their name is like KiiiKiii, like laughing.
Yeah.
And I think that literally is the perfect group name for a group that produces songs that are this fun. And this, they just, they want you to have fun. Even with, like, Dancing Alone was super emotional, obviously. But it was still fun. And it had that refreshing feeling. So I think I don't know, they're one of my favorite rookie groups right now. I love them so much.
Yeah, they're also one of my favorite rookie groups right now because, like you said, they're fun. And usually when people say, "Oh, bring fun back to K-pop," they mean like bubblegum pop.
Yes.
Like let's say Ujusonyo Chokumi, like that, like Orange Caramel. But this is also really fun. This and the last song, super fun. It's a vibe we don't get that often anymore. It was very popular back then, but the fun part about it coming back is that they can refine it or build upon it instead of, refine. That makes it sound like they're making it better. They're building upon the genre and adding those more harsh. I would say there's parts that are like Kesha's 2010, and then there's parts that are like further in the future, like 2015 summer. So they kind of mix those two together and made this really fun song. God, I just love. It's crazy when from the first line, you already know where you're at. I heard Kia's voice. I heard the effects on it. And I'm like, this is Kesha. And then they did go down that route with the instrumentals too and everything. So they're doing such an incredible job at like not just going for a concept and embodying it physically with their outfits and with the music video, but they're also just like, and obviously they're not really writing all of the songs or any. I don't know what KiiiKiii does in terms of production. I don't know if they write lyrics or anything, but the it feels like the producers, the videographers, KiiiKiii themselves, they do their research on what they're gonna do, and then they bring it to life. With this new 2026 K-pop brightness, and it's really cool to see. I don't know how many more genres are gonna hit because they just keep putting out different genres, and they kind of tend to be in the same realm, like eras of music.
Yeah.
Like Delulu is kind of like 404, and then this is kind of like the crazy last song whose title I forget. So yeah, they're really, I think, one of the most fun groups right now. And again, I love their choreos. I want to see this one. This one I can picture a little bit more. And God, they're so cool. You know, a KiiiKiii concert might be a little crazy because we're just switching vibes all day.
Yes, I might be exhausted after the KiiiKiii concert.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
but yeah, 10 out of 10, 1,000 out of 10 for both songs.
10
which
out
is
of
like,
10.
I
10 out of 10.
think it's kind of rare for me to find both songs hit equally or like that much, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, unless you have anything else. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below. And we will see you guys all next time.
Bye.
Bye.